Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Explain to Explore. In this video I am going to explain how to draw or how to display the pattern just in front of you in the output screen, and to design that particular pattern, what is the logic and what is the actual logic in behind, and I will explain everything in detail. So do not forget to reach up to the end of that particular video, and do not skip any portion of that video, because this video is going to be a very important, because this kind of pyramid is very much important in your syllabus. If you are studying in some engineering course, or if you are studying in some competitive course where C language or C programming is a part of your curriculum, so this is going to be a very important video. So if you are getting a little bit of help from this video, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon, so that you will be able to get the notification whenever I will upload any video into my channel. So okay, without further ado, let's jump into the code. So what is the actual procedure and how this code is working? So I have subdivided, or I have divided the screen into two halves. In the left part, as you can see, this is the logic of the code, whatever I have already shown you. How this is actually working. So from the beginning, as you can see, I have taken the height as input, and depending upon that height, I have calculated, or I have written the code to design or display the output, whatever I have just shown to you. So now let me write down or let me draw the design first, or the pyramid first, so that you will get some knowledge of the logic. Okay, so this is the actual pyramid, and I have taken the input of height. So for my example, according to my example, whatever I am going to explain, h is equals to 4, that means height is 4. This pyramid is actually divided into two. One is that up to that portion. For that portion we will write down a particular logic. So, and for this portion we are going to give you, or we are going to share some different logic. But in C this is not possible. You are printing this part first, then you are going to print that one, and you are going to merge the output. This is not possible, because here you have to print a whole row at a time. So how that can be done, I am going to explain line by line with proper and exact description and explanation. So I hope it will help you to understand this logic. So first of all, do not put any little bit of concentration over here, because this portion or this logic is actually giving some space. This you may or may not put that logic, because if you are not putting that loop over there, so you will get 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, this type of output. But if you put that space over there, that means this loop over there, over there, you are going to get some space before each row. Before each row you are going to get some space, and that is the actual design we are going to perform. We are going to write. So now, as you can see, we are having a list of values for the first portion, that means this portion and this portion, and this portion as well as this portion. We are having one loop, that is inner loop. And as I have already said in the last videos, if you have not already checked those videos, please go to the video section and search for the pattern related videos. You will be getting some more pattern related videos over there, and I am planning to upload some more pattern related videos in next few days if possible. So now let me explain how this is working. So first of all, as you can see, we have one logic over here. J is running from 1 to less than equals to I. For the first row, I is equals to 1. For the second row, I is equals to 2. For the third row, I is equals to 3. For the fourth row, I is equals to 4. So I hope this is clear that how we are getting 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the first portion of the loop. That means this part of the loop. Let me highlight that portion, this part of the loop. So what is the purpose of 2D? I will explain this one at the end of the video, so be with me. This part is actually printing 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So why this portion is not having the next part? Because for the next logic section we are having the starting value of j is equals to j minus 2. You can see over here j is equals to j minus 2. So for the first iteration, when I was equals to 1, so this loop will come out when j has become 2, because I is equals to 1. So your logic is for j is equals to 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus. So it will run from 1 to 1, but it will come out when j will become 2, because 2 is not less than equals to 1. So that means the final value of this loop will become 2. So after coming out from the loop, we are entering into another loop where j is equals to j minus 2. So now j will become 2 minus 2, that means 0. But the logic is that here we have to run from j, the value of j up to 1. But as you can see, j has become 0. So 0 is not greater than equals to 1. So there is no next part. So that's why there is no next part. For the second row, as you can see, I is equals to 2. So I will run from j will run from this loop, will run from 1 to 2, but it will come out from the loop when j has become 3. So after coming out from that loop, it will enter over here. So 3 minus 2, that means it will be 1. As you can see, condition is saying that j should run from the initial value to 1. So as for this row, j has become 1, so it will run up to 1. That means only one statement will be printed, or one value will be printed. That's why it's printing 1. For the next part, as you can see, it's running from 1 to 3. So that means it's printing up to 3. That means 1 2 3 will be printed, and after getting 1 2 3, it will come out from the loop when j has become 4 for the first portion, and when j has become 4, it will subtract 2 from the 4. So that means it will become 2. So again, the next portion will start from 2 and running up to 1. So same logic will be continuing for the next all the rows, and the spaces are controlled by this loop. First of all, I will suggest, do not put that code or put that loop where spaces are included. Without space, try to understand the logic and then put that code, so that it will be easier for you to understand the complete logic in detail. So I hope this whole video is very much helpful to you. So let me show you the result again. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So 7, as you can see, 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2. So last value is 7. So here, as you can see, this portion will be printed for the first portion of the loop, and this portion will be printed for the second portion of the loop, and same thing is happening for each rows. I hope this is quite clear to you. If still there is any error, or there is any problem, there is any confusion, there is any question, do not forget to put a comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer your comment. You can also visit my website. In that website, I have given several patterns and several code of several patterns, and some more blogs I have given in that particular website. So do not forget to visit that, but my website, and from that website I can promise you that you are going to get some valuable content. Thank you very much for listening to me, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and try to click on the bell icon, so that you will be able to you are going to get the notification whenever I will upload anything into my channel. So thank you very much for listening to my video and watching my video. Be healthy, stay happy, and always try to learn something new. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.